Hello and welcome to the quick demo of how to use the data collection application for effective lead capture at the exhibition. You will be receiving a link like this either in your email or on your WhatsApp. Click on the package installer, it will download the application and then you will have to install the application. Once you have installed, click on open. I'm going to use one of your login credentials just to show you how it works so that you will get an idea. HAQ @in dot shunk.com. Yeah, okay. Once you click on login, it will be logged in successfully. Now you have to click on the second option, which is the visiting card scanner. Click on the visiting card scanner. Once done, click on capture new. Here you have to select the Shunk form that we have created for your upcoming exhibition. Then click on scanner. This will be where you will have to allow the permissions. Click on allow while using the application, and the camera will open up. To scan the visiting card, you have to click, and you can see here the details have been popped up. Usually we suggest that you should hold the card in your hands. It is designed in such a way that it will automatically pick up the recent data, and you can see it here it has picked up the necessary data. In a similar fashion, you can go ahead and scan some other cards as well. You will have to use you have to scan, practice on few cards first, okay, so that you will know at what distance, how far you are supposed to hold the card, so that it focuses perfectly well, and so on and so forth. Okay, there might be a chance that while you are scanning, your your hand is moving. So now you can see it has captured blood, right? So because it has captured blood, this is how the data will come in. But not to worry, you can click on scanner again and hold it closer, and once you do it with few cards, you will be better at it. Here is all the data. Click on next. Now this is the different. These are the different details of your inquiry form, which are very simple. Okay. So now important aspect is these few details. Okay, so this form might be updated because all these other elements are already updated, okay, from the previous version. But it will directly come to the section where what are these visitor details, whether it's a customer, it's a press, or whatever. Then what is the follow-up action required, okay, what do they need, okay. These are the different elements that are there, that were there in your inquiry form, and you can see it's very simple, click and go. Field of interest, okay, so if there is something important, then you can also mention that. You can add your text. Select, you can see it's just simple selection. Scroll and select, okay, scroll and select. And once done, it might be like what I'm seeing here. It's not necessary that you will have to select in all the elements, but Ms. Raki will help you better in terms of the different aspects. Then you also have another section called as capture your suggestions. So capture your suggestions basically helps you to basically take the notes. So if there are certain notes, you can take a picture of the note. Okay, I click on OK, and you can see the picture has been added. Okay, in a similar fashion, you want to take another photo, you can just simply do that. Okay, click on it, click on OK, and click on submit. So now you can see it says data submitted successfully. If the internet connection is there, it will automatically sync. Okay, the next time what you just need to do is click on capture new. Again, click on scanner. The camera will automatically open. Choose. It will click automatically. Move ahead. Click next. and do the procedure. Now there are times when you might do this, okay. See, it gives around 70 to 80% of clarity, but in case there are certain elements that you need to change, then you can simply, just go ahead. Like for example, in this case it has picked up the company name wrong, so I can simply do it, okay. But at least the other aspects you may not have to write because they are already here, right? But you can simply glance through it once, that if everything is correct, at least the phone number and email ID, because that is important, and also the name, okay. Again, click on next, move ahead. Now here is another aspect. While you are on this section, we have given you something called as the briefcase. Now this briefcase has got all your marketing collaterals, and under the PDFs we have added two PDFs, okay. Right now being the first time, I can load this, okay. So you click on load, the application will start downloading and it will save the file locally, okay. So now you can see here we are using an Adobe Reader, and see, so on your phone itself, while the customer is there, you can simply show the customer different aspects on your phone itself, okay. So you don't have to refer to a certain brochure or catalog, because everything is on your phone, okay. Once you have done that, just click on back, okay, so that you will come back to the application. I'll just show you how it works. So now you can see here under the product overview, the load button is no more there because it is already loaded. Yes, can you see this? So it's that fast, okay. Now another important aspect that you should know is, okay, this application also works offline. So I'm going to turn off the Wi-Fi. So you can see there is no Wi-Fi, there is no mobile data, right? How to see that? So I'm gonna exit the application. I'm gonna log in again. So next time you don't have to log in as well. So it is, as you can see, it is directly come in. When you go to menu, you will have something called as the database. Under the database, under the Shunk form, you can see here, this was the first entry that we took, okay. So that is the details that we have added, and you can see on the top we have given locally saved, text synced, and form images synced. Now that we have closed the internet connection, what I'm going to do is I'm going to capture new, and I'm just going to show you how the offline data works. So just go here, scan the visiting card. See, the beauty is that it will also capture data offline, okay. I'm just going to change it because there is a thank you email which is being sent to the customer, okay. Just go ahead, choose few options, go ahead and submit, okay. Now you can see it says data submitted successfully. But although when you go to the database under this section, you can see here under Satwik Pitwava, it says gray, right? The reason why it says gray because there is no internet connection and the data hasn't synced. Now how to do that? What you will need to do is go back. So this is when you may go to your hotel, or go back, or you are into good internet connection data. The internet connectivity is on. You can see it is started streaming on the top, right? I will click on capture new. You are on the screen, click on these three dots, and here you can see there is a button which says sync data. Click on sync data, and now you can see it has started syncing one data, and the data sync is finished. Now how to confirm that? Okay, so if I just click on something, okay, if we are here, I click on menu, under menu database, and now you can see it's green for all, which means that not only your local data is saved, but also your online data has also been submitted. Now how does that work? If I happen to show you, okay, so I am also going to show you how it works in the backend, so that you don't have to worry about how does the data, I mean in case of your logins, how will it look like, okay. So I have your login credentials. Okay. Click on login. Okay, so we are on this page under the section of data capture. Now you can see that there are 3 leads that we captured right now. All the 3 leads can be seen here. And here are the 3 leads. Can you see? Jaymit, Satwik and Satwik. Okay. And this lead has been captured by this company key. So, Miss Rakhi would be able to see. And see, this is all the data that we have captured. Yes? With all the details and whatever we had chosen. Now see, this is the interesting fact. These are the visiting card images. Can you see this? This is the visiting card. Okay, in a similar fashion, if I wish to see this visiting card, yeah, can you see this? Can you see this? This is the same visiting card which can be seen in the background. Okay, in a similar fashion, whatever other images. So if you remember, for the first time we took some other images as well, which was of this diary. So we are also going to check that out, that what has come up for the. So you can see here the diary images also can be seen, right? Sorry, the diary image can also be seen. Okay, and also this is for Ms. Rakhi, that in any case if there is some editing that needs to be done, the card is available here and the card details are available below. Okay, so you can pick up the details from the card and go ahead and do the necessary edits over here and you can submit. So thank you so much for watching this demo. In case you have any queries, we are just a call away, and best of luck for the exhibition. Thank you.